If Instagram opens to a white screen or black screen and doesn't load on your Android phone, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the best ways to fix the Instagram white or black screen issue on Android, step by step. Before starting, make sure that you're using a stable network connection. You can switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi. Next, turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds. Then, turn it off and check if it works. Solution 1. Check Instagram server status. Sometimes, the problem isn't your phone, it's Instagram. Open a browser on your phone, then search for www.downdetector.com. From here, search for Instagram and see any huge spikes in that time. Also, see any live comment below that Instagram does not work in a specific area. If Instagram servers are down or under maintenance, you won't be able to log in. Wait a few minutes and try again later. Solution 2. Clear the Instagram app cache. Now, let's clear the app cache. Hold the Instagram app. It will show a pop-up menu. Then, tap the round eye icon at the top corner. Now, scroll down and tap Storage. Next, tap Clear the cache. Also, clear the data if you do not have a login account. Then, check if it works. Solution 3. Update the Instagram app. Using an outdated app can cause this issue. Open Google Play Store. Then, search for Instagram and tap Update if available. Now, try again to open Instagram. And that's how you fix the Instagram white screen or black screen issue. If this video helps, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which method fixed the issue for you. See you in the next fix!